వెల్కమ్ టు జై తెలుగునాడు పవర్డ్ బై రాజా ఫౌండేషన్ యూఎస్ఏ మేకింగ్ ద వరల్డ్ ఏ బెటర్ ప్లేస్ టుగెదర్ త్రూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ కమ్యూనిటీ సర్వీసెస్. Big opportunity for Andhra. Most H1B visas are held by Telugu talent. Retain them, encourage homecoming, support their startups and attract GCCs to turn Andhra into a global innovation hub. Big boost to Indian shipbuilding. MOU signed with Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu to develop a shipbuilding ecosystem. India's first large private gold mine in Andhra Pradesh is likely to start its full-scale production very soon, according to Hanuma Prasad, Managing Director, Deccan Gold Mines Limited. Prestige Group MD Irfan Razak announces plans to build a state-of-the-art data center in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh London Roadshow. Minister Lokesh leads AP's pitch to global CEOs and investors. Hyderabad. GHMC partners with 1M1B to empower youth with digital skills. 4 washed away in heavy rain water flows in Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad's financial district is evolving into a city within a city, with strong rental growth, marquee corporate campuses, and 90,000 to 1 lakh upcoming jobs, driving end user demand for housing and lifestyle amenities. IMD Hyderabad forecast thunderstorms till September 25. Heavy rain likely in Nizamabad, Sangareddy, Kamareddy, and Nagar Karnool on Saturday. US tech firms urge H1B H4 visa holders to return before $1 lakh fee kicks in.